Randolph's camera is on.
Hi guys! Alright, I'll be showing you some of my crystals collections. Okay. Here is the selenite. Selenite. I just put everything here, some of these collections, because these are coming from Chuki crystals. Ayan, this is the tower crystals that I have. So I have already here completed all the tower crystals collection. I guess two more crystals from Chuki to collect, and okay, some of these here inside is also, all of these are from Chuki crystals, but like this is angel quartz. This is not tower stone, but I bought it from Chuki crystals. Ayan, I have already here the collection coming from them. Okay, yan, I have also the keychain. Yan yung carnelian crystal, the yellow flora tambo crystal. I just place it here, and maybe if I have the chance one of these time, I'll be trying to put it in a shelf to showcase all of them. And let's talk about one by one the purpose and the beauty of having and collecting all of these crystals. Alright, I'll be seeing you.